The commercial painting business is booming for several reasons. As economies grow, businesses invest in upgrading or expanding their facilities. New buildings, renovations, and maintenance work increase the demand for commercial painting services. Also, regular painting is essential for maintaining and enhancing the value of commercial properties. Business owners invest in painting to keep their properties looking attractive and to protect their investments. Business owners consistently invest in their properties even during economic slowdowns, offering stability in both prosperous and challenging economic climates. I'd like to introduce you to the only commercial painting in the market, Go Painting. I love this business because of the following reasons. They provide a larger average job size with fewer projects to manage, and it's a subcontractor model, so you don't have any employees. It's a fairly modest startup cost with minimal overhead. Their initial investment is only $107,000 to $150,000, and it can qualify for an Express SBA loan, which has much better terms. The average job sizes are 8 to 10 times larger than typical residential painting projects. 15-year proven track record of success in 4 distinct markets, and according to their financial performance, the item 19, their Las Vegas location had a gross revenue of $4.3 million. You don't have to have experience in painting. This franchise is looking for a visionary empire builder and someone who understands that this service can make you millions. Are you that person? If the answer is yes, reach out to us and let's talk.